On the left, you can maximize the videos for a better view. Now that tuk-tuk, when it's in the street, it's just a regular tuk-tuk. Yeah, but to like the security personnel, they're able to get all those feeds.
So on this side we have the map display being shown on the flight control cockpit. We're able to monitor the current position.
What?
My name is Samuel. I'm from IT department.